Greetings from Priyahanda to all the viewers at Yearn to Learn. In this video, I am going to share with you that as a teacher, when you are using Google Meet, then while sharing your screen, how can you see the other participants? Or when you are presenting simultaneously, how you can have a look at the participants? Further, in case while you are presenting your screen, you also want yourself to be visible to students, how you can do that? So I'll take the first version first, and then we will skip to the other mode where I'll tell you about the extension. So let's see. Let me start Google Meet here. New meeting. I'm putting the mic off to avoid echo. Now here I am sending an invitation to two other people. y12.priya@gmail.com and yearntolearn2020@gmail.com. Send email. Now let me join here. So now you see that total 3 participants are there. Myself, Yearn to Learn, and 2 Priyahanda accounts, one green and one brown. Now here let me start presenting the screen. When I present my screen, for example, say my entire screen, I am selecting it and share. For example, I want to show them this video, like what is anaphora. Now when I'm explaining this, I want myself to be there, to be visible to everyone's screen. As you can see in the student's view, only this screen is coming, not myself. If I want my video to be there, what should I do? Or in case I just want to have a look at the participants side by side, then how should I go about it? So as I was telling you about the extension, this extension is called Dualess extension. Let's download it. So once we will click on the add to Chrome button, we can install it. Now this extension is there. We can go to extensions and pin it to our screen. It's appearing here. So this is the Dualess split or merge windows extension. Now it is there. Now let's see how it will change the view for the participant and for yourself. I've stopped sharing my screen here. Now these are the participants that's appearing on my screen, and I want that I should split my window now. So let me start sharing. I'm choosing your entire screen, right? So this is my entire screen that I am sharing. But what I'm going to do now is I am clicking on Dualess. Now once I'll click here, it is asking me for the ratio in which I want the screen to appear. You can choose any ratio because it's adjustable later. Now you see what has happened. My another tab is coming here, and then my Google Meet window has become smaller. It's 50-50 ratio, and it can be adjusted by extending it through the mouse. Now what I want is I want to play some video for students, right? This video. So let's talk about the same video. What is anaphora? But I want myself to appear. Now the first thing that is there is that your students can see now both the screens, the Meet screen as well as the other screen. If you want that you should come here and side by side the presentation also go, you pin yourself to the screen. Now you have pinned yourself to the screen, so you see since it's a picture only, a picture is coming. If your video is there, the video will come. So since you pinned yourself, now this video is coming and you can see that it is visible on the student screen. Now if you want that your video should appear in small screen and the something that you are explaining should be big, you can adjust it accordingly. So if I want that I should be coming but not that big, so I can always adjust it. And then this is how you can go on. Say you explain
clauses, phrases or sentences. So in anaphora the repetition is there, but it's only in the beginning of the sentence, the initial part, not later. What is refrain?
Now here again you want to ask the students what is refrain. You want to go about it. Then again you can explain, pause the video and go with the explanation. Or in other case, if you are running a PPT on the other window and you need to explain anything, students can see you, your expressions also and the video also. I am again explaining alternatively. If you want to see the participants, you can see the participants also. It depends on you what you want to pin to your screen, how you want the view to be there, right? And there is one more important thing. In case you don't want entire screen should be shared, then what you can do, let me go back to this screen. I'm maximizing it. I'm choosing the option of stop sharing. If you want to present, you can choose a window only. Which window? This window. Now how it will help, you have chosen this window to share. It will be shared with the students. Now as you see, you are presenting your screen. This window is coming to the students, but on your screen you can still view the participants and your Google Meet is active. So this is another way to do that. I'm clicking on stop sharing. So this was very easy to do and very much helpful to you. You can make a choice how you want it to appear for students. You want it to be split window where you and the presented screen is appearing, or you want to be a split window where participants are coming and your shared screen is coming, or you wanted that you can see it but students should not see what is there on your screen and still you can share it. So this DualS extension serves many purposes. I hope it would be helpful to you. As I say, if it is helpful, please help others also. Do share the word, help other teachers who would need to know this, and do subscribe if you like this video. Thank you. This is Priya Handa signing off. May God bless you.